question 23. So similar to before, follow rule 1. The number needs to be between 1 and 10, so 3.4. How do we achieve this? How many hopping along? Well, we hop along 8 gaps, so times 10 to the 8, positive 8, because this is a big number. And part B, again, we can see this is going to be very small. So, because it's a negative power, lots of noughts down to allow us to hop along and establish how many noughts we need. We're hopping along 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause here. How many zeros have we got after the decimal point here? We've got 4. So 0.000014. And then for part C, similar to before, just break this down into changing the order, just multiplying lots of bits and bobs together. You can multiply them any order you like. 5 6s are 30. 10 to the 4 times 10 to the 9, adding the powers is 10 to the 13. That's correct, but it is not in standard form. So to achieve this first number needs to be 3, so we divide by 10. We divide by 10 to the 1, compensate by multiplying the second by 10 to the 1 at the opposite. 10 to the 13 times 10 to the 1 is 10 to the 14. Question 24. So the only complication here is, imagine this is on a non-calculator paper, you need to be able to multiply 3.2 by 4.5. Many ways of doing it. One way is just to consider 32 times 45, which I've done here, getting 1440, and then you place the decimal point by just using your estimating skills. 3.2 times 4.5 is roughly 3 times 5, which is 15. So for this to be roughly 15, the decimal point needs to be here. So we get 14.4. 14.4. 10 to the 5 times 10 to the 4 is 10 to the 9. To make this into standard form, this first number needs to be between 1 and 10. So we divide by 10. We divide by 10 to the 1, giving us 1.44. We compensate by multiplying by 10 to the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this would normally be our final answer. But on this occasion, just take care. It does say 2 sig figs. So they don't want 3 digits here. They only want 2 digits. So that's 1.4 times 10 to the 10.